how to fix WhatsApp call problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this. Now after you go to the apps, search for it here for the WhatsApp and click on it. Now this is the app info, as you can see. All what you have to do on this page is click on the data usage and disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back, and then you have to go back and click on the open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and click on always allow. Go back, open the home page. Now all what you want to do next is open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and click on this update option like this to update your WhatsApp into the latest version. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.